a brioche bun like this. Soft, smooth, silky bun like this. So don't waste time. Let's move to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Beautiful recipe. We can make 21 buns or 2 loaves of brioche bread. We need 120 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2.5 teaspoon of yeast. Combine well. 3/4 cup of warm milk. It should not be hot, otherwise the yeast doesn't work. Mix well, cover it and rest for 45 minutes. Onto that mix, crack 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 eggs and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoon of sugar, 5 cups of flour and combine well. When the flour and the eggs are well combined, transfer this one onto a clean surface. If you have a blender, you can use a blender and knead it. It become a dough like this. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you knead it well. We need 283 grams of soft butter. Make sure the butter is soft and cut into small pieces. Now add 1 piece at a time and mix it well. Don't mix all the butter at one time. Make sure it will be infused by one. When you add all the butter, you will think, why it is like this? It will be very soft. Yes, it will be very soft. But when you start kneading it, it will become a very smooth dough. You can see here, the dough is starting to be a very good one. See? It will be soft, silky dough like this. This process also takes some time. You see the dough? And it's very soft now. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover it and rest for an hour. Keep it in a warm place so it will be easily proofed. Knock down the dough. Transfer to a clean surface. Cut into 100 grams pieces like this. To make the bun, we are cutting like this. But if you want to make a bread, just cut into half and form a bread. But when you're folding it, make sure you fold like this. It should go inside. Like this, and make a bowl like this. Transfer the bowls to a tray. Keep this bowl on a warm place for proofing for at least an hour. We need 1 piece of egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, beat well. This is for egg washing the doughs. Egg wash the doughs. Preheat the oven at 375 degree Fahrenheit. Bake it for 16 minutes. There may be a little bit of change in the time of cooking. It's depend upon your oven. Remove it and cool it down. You will get a soft bun like this. The soft, silky, smooth brioche bun is ready. Now enjoy and eat. This bun is so good. You can make a burger or sandwich, anything with this bun. There are a lot of recipes there in my channel. So give it a try. Please comment it and subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.